Welcome, Krishna and Anshu.
Hello,
Thank you
sir.
for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Very good. So, we thought, we should speak to you, understand what y'all are, how the COVID times are treating you, and what have been your learnings. And I also know y'all are from a different age group, and what made y'all come in a academic program. So I thought, let me just invite you and see how, and maybe tell our friends here what is happening.
Thank you so much, sir, for
Thank you
having
so
us.
much for this opportunity.
Just introduce yourself. Where are you from? Which industry y'all represent?
So, my name is Anshu Mittal, and this is my wife, Krishna Mittal. We are working with Parveen Industries for the past 5 years.
Okay.
Parveen, we are a leading manufacturer of oil field equipments.
Okay.
Parveen has been operational for the past 55 years.
It's a family business?
It's a
Yes, it's
family
a family
business.
business. We are the
Wow.
third generation of it.
Third generation.
Yeah,
Fantastic. Wow.
yeah. So,
And what are your roles? What you both do in the business? What is your role? Because I'm sure it's a family business, so family is also involved.
yes, so
Yes.
everybody is involved in the family. I
Okay.
am mostly, before joining the course, I was handling the inventory completely and the purchases. But once I joined the course and got a knowledge of operations, now I'm doing amazing things in the operations and improving the operations like multiples. We are improving and having a good production. And Anshu is handling the marketing.
I am handling the digital marketing
Wow.
aspect, yeah, of the company.
But then in the program with Dr. G and with Wellinger, what is that few things were different which you learned which you could apply in the program in your own businesses?
If I will tell you frankly, everything what Dr. G taught us, what other professors taught us, we could apply everything
Every
in the business, and we are applying everything in the business. First, when the COVID started, we thought that we
again,
will
yeah.
again have a problem. We have a on-time delivery issues. We have the cost issues, but we took it as an opportunity and started implementing the small things what Dr. G taught us in the class.
Okay.
And by implementing those small techniques, we had like have the benefits of multiple percentage, like double the production we are getting now.
Wow.
First, like I never used to go to the shop floor, game bar.
Okay.
But then after meeting Dr. G, and then I came to know the importance of going to the shop floor, and I learned a lot of things while being on the shop floor itself.
So, in spite of being in marketing and sales and digital,
Yes.
you were able to, understand what's happening in the production.
In
Yes.
fact, I should say that I understood even better. Like after going to the shop floor, I understood the current. I understood the real scenario actually.
But with such a big family business, three generations, different levels of seniors in the business, uncles and their children, some family business may typically in Marwadi families, how it is. How did they allow you to invest money in education, and what made you think that at this age you should go and study, leaving the business?
So we
7 days is a big time every week.
Yeah, we always had a problem of on-time deliveries and the high cost factor due to the competition in the market, and the industry is on the decline phase. We used to have many consultants in the industry, but never got such kind of profits what we are getting. So once we visited V School by any chance, and we got Dr. G. And the day we met Dr. G in that cabin, small cabin, we decided we are going to get trained under him. We want to
Ah,
join this course. And here after this course, we are and doing amazing things in the uh, business.
very nice, very nice. But then, you did you find any resistance from family members? कि अरे छोड़ो यार theory क्या पढ़ाएंगे ये लोग academicians. So you,
Surprisingly, actually,
No.
Dad was more supportive of it. Actually,
Yeah, and he's
wow.
always been
he's
supportive.
always been supportive.
Whatever you are learning, do try it. We even discussed at home after coming from the classes, after coming from the college.
Wow.
Whatever we are getting knowledge from there, we even shared with him. So his perspectives also got changed. Now he also talks about lean. He also talks about in that language only, and he's like,
Wow.
I was 50 years behind what the other dunya is doing. So now I want to be on that
Wow.
level, what other people, what industry is actually running at. So he's always been
Fantastic.
supportive to us.
Very nice. Just a question to you, Dr. G. Is there some interaction opportunity? You have the participants, I understand, but is there an interaction opportunity with senior members from the family business in the program? Because their buy-in is important, student may come.
I had put up my finger to explain that only.
Wow.
The Krishna and Anshu, they had their daddy. That is, they call him daddy. He's like the father. He got so interested that he started attending my programs
Wow.
and
Wow.
directly sometimes discussing with me also. So
Fantastic.
yeah, we have had this kind of situation. So family members are welcome. And we in fact tell them ki when you go back, please talk to your parents, talk to your whatever. First day they will not they will say, "Ha, ye kya hai? Ye sab theory hai." You go there, you go to the workplace, जो भी industry होगा आपका, and use the techniques we teach. Makes, as Krishna said, small improvement changes. But if you make a good small change, you can get a big improvement. It is possible. हाँ. The moment the parents see that, they say, अरे ये तो कुछ अलग बात है यार.
Wow.
ये अपने को भी सीखना पड़ेगा.
Wow.
And then everybody gets into the learning mode. After that, there are no family disputes, no succession planning. वो सब चला जाता है. Otherwise, many institutes have a subject called as family disputes.
Yes.
अपने आप family dispute eliminate हो जाता है.
Because the process takes care. Process is taking care. And visibly they are seeing some significant changes. So the process is respected and it moves. That's why I assume.
And this couple sitting in front of you increase the output by 50%.
Wow.
Simply by making small changes.
Wow.
Thanks to
And
you.
now they phoned me last week. They're not telling you because ये सब लोग अपना success बताते नहीं है. दूसरे लोग के हाथ में जलेगी.
Wow.
But they phoned me and said कि sir, normally पूरे महीने का production महीने में नहीं होता है. It spills over to the next month. This time we are finished on 25th September. अभी क्या करने का 5 दिन का idle capacity है. अभी चलो we have to forget production and we have to now start learning marketing.
Wow.
Marketing का book बताओ. And that's why Anshu is telling I am in digital marketing.
Very nice. And I'm sure it for business owners like them, it opens their mind also to new possibilities, right?
Yeah.
My question to you on the alumni network, how do you support the alumni, or after 11 months, what happens?
We invite another thing, join this year itself. Don't wait for next year.
That's very important, that. But the alumni thing you cover, then I have a very important question to ask you also, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there was one lady last year who had come. She's related to the plastics business.
Okay.
And she said, "No, I'm not going to join now. I'm not going to join. Full stop." She inquired around, sir, and this year she has joined.
Okay.
So and she told कि I lost 1 year.
So true.
1 year में मुझे benefit already मिलता था. I would have already recovered all the money. I would be going further ahead.
Sure.
See, if you have a narrow mentality, 7 lakh is a big amount.
For a business,
if you
it's
have
not
a
a big
broad
amount.
vision, 7 lakh is a very small amount.
And an investment in your own business.
It's an investment. Correct. And it's an investment where returns are coming forever. Education is different from putting money in a bank. Fixed deposit में डाला या mutual fund में डाला, मत डालो अभी mutual fund में, but अगर डालेगा तो return आता है. This is a return which will come forever. And the return will grow, will change according to the changing circumstances. So what we do with the alumni is we call them, we invite them for alumni sessions. We have get-togethers also. So वो get-together में क्या होता है? Sometimes we are able to mix from different batches.
Yes.
So your networking opportunities increase. Go beyond what you have.
True. So true. And this is for lifetime basically. This continues
It's a lifetime. Absolutely.
continues to be there. Very nice.